Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how my garden is. It has been requested for some time, so I just didn't really have much time to do gardening. So today I just happened to trim my kaffir lime tree. Look at that. The kaffir lime tree is growing so wild. I need to control it a bit or else it's going to disturb the neighbor so much. Look at that, how I cut it. There's a lot of kaffir lime leaves here. Unfortunately, I have to throw it away. So pitiful. I managed to just save some of the nicer leaf. Okay, so I have here this is a ginger plant. Look at that, they are growing so beautifully. Ginger plants. There's some ginger roots here. Look at that, quite a lot. And this is the turmeric plant or kunyit. The kunyit plant. Oh, this is cut. So I have kunyit plant here. Look at that. You know, when you make the I use this leaf to make the chicken rendang. Yeah, you know, anybody wants the turmeric leaf to make chicken rendang can come to my house and take it. And over here is some plants that I'm trying to grow, but I don't know where to plant it. This is a durian tree. Okay, after I grow already, I don't know where to go and plant it. This is a very sweet longan. The other day I bought the longan, very sweet, so I tried to plant it and it grew into a really big sapling now. And maybe I'm just trying to keep it here in my garden. I don't know how we can enjoy it or not. And here is also a lot of the longan tree or mata kucing. So I also grow asam jawa tree. Look at that. Look from this side. See, asam jawa is so easy to grow. Asam jawa tree, right, when I plant, I don't let them grow so big. I just control and keep cutting them, and then they will come out this very young branch like this, right? And this asam jawa leaf like this, right, when I pluck, I let them grow, the young one, and when keep plucking, and then this leaf, right, and put in the chicken soup or fish soup. Is really nice. Sour soup, but instead of using lime, we're using the asam jawa leaf. It's really delicious. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of asam jawa tree or tamarind tree. And this is my precious. Look at that. This is curry leaf tree. See? So nice and very healthy, right? I tried to grow the curry leaf tree for many times, but every time I fail, it always die. I don't know why. And happened this tree, this plant was given to me by my sister-in-law. When she gave to me, it was like pre-shot like this. So I just put it here and see how it grows so big and healthy now. Look. See? So healthy. Every time I want to pluck, I always very like so precious. And here I plant another papaya tree. Still very young. just hopefully fruit, and I can make some tam or papaya video soon. And here is aloe vera, so healthy. See, they just grow so healthy. My garden is quite unkept, I don't have much time. And this is the blue chai or blue flower. Yeah, keep dying and keep growing and keep drying and keep growing. So I also have galangal. I think I have shown you all long time ago that the galangals plant. Okay, they're quite very healthy. So every time when I want to cook anything with the galangal, I will just come here and pluck and harvest it from here. And these are the leaf that I cut. I don't throw it away, I just keep it here to make a fertilizer from the fresh leaf, right? It can really make the plant so healthy. That is why my plant looks very healthy, because I use it organic fertilizer. And this is the other day someone told me it calls saw leaf. Yeah, it's quite healthy. And over here are all don't know what growing wild here. All right, somebody might have known this is a durian sapling. If I'm not mistaken, this durian, we bought durian and ate the durian and tasted so good. The durian was so delicious, so I just decided to plant it. And I have the sapling now, but I don't know where to grow. My garden seems so small. And here's the mango tree. Just keep them here. Unfortunately, I think one day I have to cut and throw them away, because cannot allow them to grow so big in such a small garden like this. Okay, the garden is so unkept, but it's very enjoyable when you come out here, because it's just so green and the plants are all very healthy. I have some also outside there, outside the roadside there. Let's go and take a look. Out here I have also the lemongrass, but the lemongrass I harvested and then they don't seem to last very long. So another galangal here, they grow very big. Just look at it. And I also spread it out. This is also another place that I plant the galangal. When I harvested the galangal, right, I don't want to cut the stem. I just put it here in the soil here, and it shoot out another stem here. So pretty soon I'm going to have another galangal plant here. And this is the kunyi or turmeric. And I also grow my own pandan leaf. Pandan leaf. So another sarai or lemongrass plant here. It's pandan leaf. It's very healthy. And the blue chai, blue flower here. So another series of ginger plant here. Ginger plant here. See, didn't really have time to come out and take care of all this lalang or the grass. This is my neighbor's pineapple. It's very nice. And this is my neighbor's jackfruit tree. This jackfruit is very sweet. Sometimes when she harvests it, we can get to eat some also. Okay. That's all my gardens. All I plant a little bit of this and that, so I don't have to buy so much. Sometimes you want to make a dessert, I just need a little bit of pandan leaf. Instead of running to the shop, I just run outside my garden and just pluck one or two. You see, they are very healthy, very green. Okay, all right, that's all. I just want to share with you how my garden, what I plant and what I use. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today no recipe. Thank you and goodbye.